Hey guys, so we want to introduce some of the new pieces that we've got here at Precision Fitness. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we use the reverse hyperextension machine. So the reverse hyperextension machine is fantastic for activating and strengthening the glutes, hamstrings and erector spinae. And in doing so, it also takes a lot of pressure off the lower back and creates good length through the hamstrings and decompresses the spine. There's many different ways that you can load the reverse hyper machine. My preference is to keep it band resistant, so that way at the top of the range of motion there's more intensity in the resistance as opposed to just putting a plate on. And I'll see if I can give you a bit of an example as to why I don't like just plate loading it by itself. But this is an example on how to do the reverse hyperextension. So you've got your footrest pad here. This can be adjusted to the individual's height. So for the shorter people, obviously the footrest needs to be up a little bit higher. For the taller people, you might have to move it down a little bit lower. Once you set up your foot position, you've also got the hand positionings, which you can't see from there, but we can show you a little bit later on. These can be adjusted. So again, for shorter people, the handles need to be brought forward to place your grip on. For the taller people, you can obviously move your handle out a little bit further. Using the steps to stand up, laying your hips and pelvis onto the pads. From this position here, you activate through your glutes and hamstrings to push your heels up towards the ceiling and then release back down. If you're a beginner doing this exercise, I strongly recommend just doing a set without the resistance. So by doing that, you just start with your feet behind the pad, hips onto the machine, and then just start by warming up with just your legs as the resistance. To plate load it, just goes out on the outside of the band, and then complete your repetitions from there.